Okay guys, this is where I am. You can find my other videos and how I create this end, but this is what I've done. Showed you before. I just put the lining inside, just created a little pattern here, and I added this to my bag. And I just, when I sewed here, I just keep this open. I didn't break it in like that, like on the other bags. I just wanted a different look, so I keep this open. You can look at my other video and see how I make this. I'm going to be putting the, right above, if you look, you'll see the measurements that I use. I showed you before, but I'm just going to put it up again. And all I did was just to sew the bag up, and I added this here. And that's my fray. That's how it's going to look. My distress look. See? I didn't sew this down, so you can actually push your hand through it. She's cool. And this end, pretty much damaged. And over in this end, it's your birthday cake look. And for just regular 26 inch shoulder strap made from my denim. And you know, I'm thinking I'm just gonna go ahead and do some, this is my lining for the top, but I'm gonna leave it raw edged like that. I'm just gonna stitch down and leave it open, I think, because then it looked very super distressed, right? So that looks cool. And now I'm gonna do, this is my inside, nice, big and deep, fit my entire hand through it. So now I'm gonna create my pockets on the inside and lining from this fabric. Alrighty, so it's the same width as my bag. I just cut two, same thing as my bag. This is my lining. I'm going to be adding a pocket, patch pocket like that, on this side, nice, big and deep, can fit many things. And on this side, I'm going to be adding a zipper pocket. Now, once I do that, I'm going to sew this edge, I'm going to sew here, and I'm going to sew here. All right, and once that is sewn, I'm going to flip this edge, and I'll show you, I'll bring that back and show you. I'm going to stitch here, and I'm going to stitch here. Then I'm going to put these two together, open, open, open. I'm going to put them together like, actually, I can show you real quick. I'm going to be sewing this edge up, sewing from here to here. Going to be adding my pockets, then I just turn this way and sew this opening, this side and this side as well, like so. Get my bag, and then I will attach it. Actually guys, let me take that back. I will leave an opening about this big, I'd say 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. I leave that much space, an opening, so I'll stitch from here to here, I'll stitch from here to here, then from here to here, from here all the way, close this side, because this is where I'm going to push my bag through, so my lining is clean and nice on the inside, and stitch that. Okay, so this is really cute bag. It's going to be red on the inside, matching this little piece on the outside. And my red here, and it's gonna be a cute little bag. When I wear this, I'm gonna get lots of comment, because every time I make a bag and it'll go out, everybody want to know, oh, where did you find that? And I say, make it. Can you make me one? Yes. And that's how I get a lot of my customers, guys. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Awesome. So actually, this bag is for a customer, and if you guys can't see this video and you cannot make this bag on your own and you want to purchase one, just send me an email. Very nice, unique, nicely done, professionally made, and you'll always be different. You can hook me up. You can send me your style. We can work it out. Custom made, one of a kind, and you're always a fashionista, trendsetter for fashion. All right, guys, so I'm gonna put that together and I'll be right back.